Has can also have someone tell you that we will be having our first anniversary party thing. Versions I made this YouTube thing. And I've already got like 6,500 views. Not that much, but I've had like 12 YouTube accounts. But this is my biggest hit one. And, yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. So, yeah, I'm gonna be putting that on YouTube after I broadcast it and stuff. So, so, my first anniversary every year. That's, April 1st of the month. That's when that's going to be, starting. So, tune in. Yeah, it'll be published on April 1st.